Wait till you see what came in the mail today. Jeffrey.
Bring the package.
Thanks, Jeffrey. If you can guess what this is without looking, I'll give you a kiss on the forehead. If you're expecting a 3D printed model of Barack Obama, you're gonna be disappointed. So just scroll right now. And if you want to run around, I'm just gonna open it from this side, because you're on this side. I don't care about you, hoe at me. I don't care about you, hoe at it. Oh my God. First look. Oh, they taped them together. Bro, I waited 2 months for this. Yo, custom skateboards, I got a bone to pick with you because y'all take forever. But I ain't mad at it. We only got 3 of these hoes. I just want to see if y'all like these hoes. So this is what we got going.
Thinking that I'm slack and I never been a slacker.
I gotta open the plastico. They saran wrap it like a leftover lunch. I swear I had something really important to say, but the audio cut out. I have no clue what happened. Anyway, I was probably just yapping. Yap, 40 degrees. Anyway, the pink paparazzi collection will be available on Monday.